Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi on Singapore Airlines. First, enable Wi-Fi on your device and connect to the network name Chris World. The portal should open automatically. If it doesn't, simply open your browser and go to kw.sq.com. From there, you can choose a complimentary access option if you're a KrisFlyer member, or select a paid plan to stay connected during your flight. And that's it. You're now ready to browse the internet while flying with Singapore Airlines. And that's how to connect to Wi-Fi on Singapore Airlines. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.